Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is dependence of life on water. Water is the foundation of life on Earth, supporting ecosystems and human survival. It covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and is vital for growing crops, maintaining biodiversity, and regulating the climate. Despite its abundance, water distribution is not uniform. Some regions face water scarcity, while others experience floods or excess rainfall. This disparity impacts agriculture, drinking water supply, and livelihoods. Formation of clouds and rain. Water vapor formation. When temperatures rise, water from oceans, rivers, and other sources evaporates and forms water vapor. Condensation in the atmosphere. As vapor ascends, cooler atmospheric temperatures cause it to condense into tiny droplets. Role of dust particles. These droplets cluster around dust or smoke particles, gradually forming clouds. Rainfall mechanism. With further cooling, droplets merge into larger drops. Once heavy, they fall to the earth as rain due to gravity. Key terms. Evaporation, the process by which water changes into vapor. Condensation, the transformation of water vapor into liquid droplets. Water cycle, the continuous movement of water through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff back to water bodies. Precipitation, condensed water falling to earth in various forms, including rain, snow, hail, fog, or dew. Humidity, the amount of water vapor in the air. High humidity, especially during warm weather, creates discomfort and sticky conditions. Winds and clouds. Evaporation over oceans. The vast surface area of oceans leads to significant evaporation, contributing to maximum cloud formation and rainfall. Seasonal rainfall in Telangana. High temperatures prevail from March to June. The southwest monsoons begin in June, bringing rainfall to Telangana. Northern and eastern Telangana receive heavy rainfall, while plateau regions like Mahbubnagar and Jogulam receive scanty rain. Cyclones. Cyclones in the Bay of Bengal, active from May to October, sometimes bring rains. The northeast monsoons, retreating monsoons, in October and November bring light rainfall to Telangana. Types of rainfall. 1. Convectional rainfall occurs when warm, moist air rises from heated surfaces. Common in tropical regions and during summer in continents. Results in short, heavy showers often accompanied by thunder and lightning. 2. Orographic rainfall occurs when moist winds are forced to rise over mountains. Heavy rain falls on the windward side, while the leeward side remains dry, forming rainshadow areas, example, Deccan Plateau. 3. Cyclonic rainfall results from the interaction of warm and cold air masses. Tropical cyclones develop over warm sea surfaces and bring heavy rains to coastal areas. Rivers formation. Rivers originate as small streams in mountains and grow as tributaries join them. Rainwater channels form river courses over time. Plains and deltas. As rivers slow down, they deposit silt to create fertile plains. At their mouths, rivers form deltas, such as those of Krishna and Godavari, which sustain year-round water flow. Seasonal rivers. Rivers like Dindi and Musi dry up during non-rainy seasons due to limited rainfall in their regions. Floods and floodplains. Floodplains, treeless valleys along rivers that overflow during heavy rains. These areas lack permanent vegetation due to frequent flooding. Causes of floods. Excessive rainfall and rapid water flow. Soil erosion, which raises riverbeds and reduces water holding capacity. Impacts. Floods damage crops, homes, and livestock, and displace communities. Preventing floods and soil erosion. Role of vegetation. Trees and plants slow rainwater runoff, allowing it to seep into the ground. Vegetation reduces soil erosion and sedimentation in riverbeds. Afforestation initiatives. Telangana's massive tree plantation program aims to plant 230 crore saplings statewide. Villages and districts participate in planting trees along roads, hills, and community lands. Cyclones and their impact. Challenges. Coastal regions are vulnerable to cyclones, which bring heavy rains, high winds, and tidal waves. The poorest communities, living in fragile housing near coasts, are the most affected. Preparedness. Early warning systems help mitigate disaster impacts. Governments focus on building strong infrastructure and providing emergency relief. Global rainfall distribution. 1. Latitudes 10°-30°, eastern coasts experience heavy rainfall, decreasing westward. 2. Latitudes 40°-60°, western coasts receive more rain than eastern coasts due to westerlies. 3. Low-pressure zones, equatorial regions experience higher rainfall than high-pressure areas. 4. Land versus oceans, oceans receive more rainfall than land masses due to constant evaporation. This version elaborates on the points while maintaining a clear structure for easy comprehension. Thanks for watching.